Hey there, it's Dawood. Let's show you how to use the mega menu structure that I built. First thing you do is you want to go to your navigation menu area. And do that anywhere in HubSpot by clicking Settings up here in the top of the screen. Mouse down to Navigation Menus. It always, when we come to the screen, it always goes to the default. So just pick the menu that we're working on. In this case, I called it Header Mega Menu. And the way this works is really simple. I built this so that the mega menu structure would work within HubSpot's native navigation structure. And that means it makes it easy for you guys to update and edit and delete and add items now and in the future. Excuse me. So let me show you briefly. The first thing is that you'll see the things, there's items here that are to the far left and indented a little bit. The items to the far left, home, products, about, resources, these are your primary navigation. So it's really important to have those in place first. Then then there's this second level and third level of menu items, and when they're indented, they create drop-down menus. So in the case of about, for instance, you'll see there's just items and only indented one space. So what that does is that creates the basic drop-down menu that you're used to. So how we evoke the mega menu is we actually create a third level of a third level of navigation. So we have our first level being products, second being Connex solutions, and third being the products that we put under Connex solutions. So what happens here is when you have a third level under a second level, it creates this column. And it changes the second level from being a link to being a title. So you see, like, we put no link in here. We don't want links in this second level. So products, you see there's no link here. The links are underneath. So it changes the menu system. What I wrote changes the menu system so that when you have a third level here, all of these, it changes what the second level does. The second level then generates a column, and it becomes a title. And then your third level are those columns. So that's basically it. I'm going to get rid of this. So if you wanted to create, well, let's do this. Let's put a second one under partners so you can see how to add an item to a column that already exists. Page link, I'm going to select any page. And I'm going to call this test. And then if you were going to create a third column, you would simply start here again, click the plus. We would go a page link. No, sorry. Delete that. We would go a page without a link. We put whatever we want to call the title. And then we would take and grab this and slide it out. And then under this, we would put our new page links. So again, whatever page pops up, new page. And then I would grab the toggle here and slide it inside, so that now we have a third secondary level, which creates a third column. Let's go ahead and save this. Now, unfortunately, HubSpot has a latency sometimes, so this might take a couple of minutes. And so now you'll see, excuse me, we added our third column here. Whoops. We added our third column here, and now we have this test item that's underneath. And that's how this works. As long as you have a second and third level, the mega menu will work. And so the second level again creates the title and the column, and then the third level is under it are the links. And if you just want a basic drop-down menu, you just have a second level with no third level at all, and the system knows now to automate that. So there you go. That's it. Any questions? Let me know.